It's a pretty exciting day here today at Prowler-Proof. Today we're undergoing our Australian Standards Manufacturing Compliance Audit as part of our membership of the National Security Screen Association. So coming on site today we have an independent NATA certified auditor, and he's going to come through the factory and check we're manufacturing our products to AS5039, the standard for security screens. The great thing about being audited is that we get to confirm that our products that we're manufacturing every day here at the factory are actually to the standard that we had tested as part of AS5039, which is the standard for security screens. And for a consumer, that gives you confidence that you know the product that you receive from our dealer is the same as the products that we've had tested.
I would say the most important things I'm looking for when carrying out an audit, a finished product, something that's been manufactured to go to a customer. I'm looking for a works order so that I can check the product against the product manufactured against what's been ordered. I'm looking for a test report to ensure that that product is manufactured in compliance with the standard AS5039.
So to know your product's compliant to Australian Standard 5039, you simply need to look for the Australian Standard sticker on your product. It's your proof that you've received a compliant product.